Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening another Facetory package. So let's get in and let's get into the package. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Facetory. Now this package is definitely a surprise to me. It's been a while since you guys have seen me unbox any Facetory packages. It's basically what Facetory is before I get into my verbiage and my story or how it all started. Facetory is a monthly subscription for face masks and sheet masks and all different types of masks. Now they have different subscriptions. Just in case you guys are curious, you could definitely use the code Lynette20, which will be under the video if you guys want to get a discount on it. But Facetory is a monthly sheet mask subscription. So they have 3 different subscriptions. They have a face mask where you just get a plan where you just get 4 face masks. They have one where you get more, which is what we have here, and then they have a bi-monthly, it's quarterly, where you get more for $49.95. And this is if you love K-beauty, you're definitely gonna love this subscription. Now I like doing face masks, especially now that we're kind of stuck at home. You know, sometimes you don't want to head out and but you still want to treat yourself. Actually on Mother's Day, and if you didn't see my last video, just happy Mother's Day again to you guys. If you guys didn't see that video, I actually on Mother's Day had a spa day at home, and I used the items that I had from Facetory to treat myself. So definitely this is something that you can use to treat yourself, which I definitely love. Sheet masks are so simple because you're putting them on, you know, you wash your face, you put them on. And I have a whole skin routine, a K-beauty skin routine, if you guys want to check that out of what I do. But basically you wash your face, treat your skin, and put the face mask and just enjoy your day. So that's why I love these subscriptions. Now, what I was talking about my story. The reason why I ended up placing an order, because we were in the process of looking for hand sanitizer, right? Okay, so hand sanitizer, I still haven't seen in my local grocery store. So if you need hand sanitizer, from the point of recording this video, Facetory still has hand sanitizer. So if you don't want a subscription, you can still use the Lynette20 code on their website and save some cash. So that's why I made this order. So usually when you place an order from Facetory, it comes in this cute packaging, and I loved it. And this is actually different. If you watch any of my old Facetory videos, the packaging is totally different, but I'm totally digging this because it's just super cute, right? So you have the little logo there, and then woohoo, your package is here. So I love that. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with the hand sanitizer. So I actually ordered the very largest one that they had. So this one is 16.9 fluid ounces, and this is hand sanitizer, and basically keep your hands fresh and clean with hypoallergenic hand cleaner gel. So hand sanitizer for 16 fluid ounces, which is still available, like I said, on the website, because I was actually able to order it. So this is really why I placed the order, but I wanted to re-up on my face mask, so I did the subscription anyway. Now, I did the subscription for the Lux. Now, Lux, actually, I've noticed, and that's why I did the Lux, is because I've noticed that they've been giving little bonuses with the Lux. So I like free stuff. I don't know about you guys, but actually let me know in the comment section below if in your area you can find hand sanitizer. I could not, so we need this because we were running out. So like I said, I don't know about your city, but I'm in Texas. We're having a hard time still at this point finding hand sanitizer, which is super, super weird. Okay, so the first thing that you see here is a little card explaining what is on your list, and it says muffin compares to you. So again, like I said, this is a Facetory, and these have, let me see, so I have 7 different face masks, plus you get a bonus gift. So let me go through this so we can see exactly what we got. So I'm gonna just follow this. Well, I'm gonna follow what I see here. Okay. All right, so this is the first mask I have is from Mask Science Mediheal. This is Collagen Essential Lifting and Firming Mask. So you see there, and with every mask in the back, it tells you how long you should have that one. So this one is retail value price is $2.50. And this is, it says leave your skin feeling happy and looking plump and dewy. These awesome fat masks fit every contour of your face for a comfortable sheet masking experience. Allow your skin to feel rejuvenated. So that's what this one is. So that's super cool. And then the next one we have here is T4 Soothing Tea Ampule Mask. So there you go. And again, like always, they always tell you how long you should have those on your face. So this one, it says a hydrating sheet mask with a light watery essence. This mask adds radiance and calms redness. So that's cool. And the retail value for this one is $3. Now the cool thing about this subscription is you actually don't have to buy a subscription. So if any of these masks individually, and the list will be underneath the video so you can check that out. If you want to just check out and purchase one mask, you totally can. And what's cool is every Monday, if you put your information on the site, every Monday there's usually like a sale for dollar masks. You guys can check that out. But I like getting higher price face masks. So that's kind of why I like the subscription. So the next one we have here is for Merbliss. This is a nurse healing mask. Intense soothing gauze seal mask. So that's weird. I never heard of that one before. So let me see about this one. Okay, so this one, the retail value of this is $4. This is skin healing and calming sheet mask that will help soothe skin irritations and balance your skin. So we have that. And Facetory also does their own face mask. So this is from Facetory, and this is Elderflower Dream Garden. So that's what that looks like there. And this one has a retail value of $4. So this is a comforting sheet mask that provides skin with extra hydration when it brightens and calms. Relax, sit back, and let the sheet mask replenish your skin. P.S. It also has a lovely floral design around the material. Don't forget to take a selfie. So definitely take a selfie. And again, all the instructions are on the back. The next one we have is Black Bubbly Mask. This one is a pore cleansing, purifying, and brightening mask. So let me see. This one is retail value for this is $3. A bubble mask that contains charcoal extract to help remove impurities, leaving skin brighter and clearer. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, but this particular, the 7 Lux is the middle subscription. This one is $19.90. So if you were to add up all these masks, it's gonna be more than $19.90. So you definitely get your worth, your K-Beauty on, your your sheet mask worth of the quality of the product. So the next one we have here is Cuscody. This is a Ganoderma Stem Reel Mask. So that's what that is. And this one retail value is $4. This says ginseng and mushroom. Oh my, this sheet mask will enhance skin elasticity and help cleanse the skin from fine dust particles, just what you need for a healthy complexion. And again, the instructions are on the back, so you guys can see that there. And really all you need is to know how long, and the time is always on there. You just need to know how long to leave these on. And then the next one, let me see, it looks like a two-parter. So this one is a retail value of $5. This sheet mask contains fresh tea leaves, which you can actually see that at the top. The leaves to provide skin with calming and relaxing benefits. So it says you remove the tea bag that's at the top. And let me see. And then step 2, you open up the zipper pouch and put the tea bag in the pouch. Rub the mask for 1 minute to distribute the ingredients evenly and then apply for 10 to 15 minutes. So again, it's on the back. And like I said, there's 8 things. So I've been noticing with the 7 Lux, which is the $19.99 subscription, they've been adding bonuses. So I have a bonus gift here. So this is the Beautiful Factor, the Beautiful Factor Dust Cleaner Cream Clay Mask. Now this has a retail value of $19. So sheesh. So that's a good bonus there for sure. I'm not gonna open this because I do have other clay masks that I'm actually working on, so I don't want to open this up and move it or open it and take the seal off, but basically it looks like that. And this says it is, let me see. It says it's a wash off clay mask that removes fine dust and impurities from deep within the pores, leaving your skin smooth and clear. So that's the bonus. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have ever tried sheet masks before. I love them because they're so soothing and they leave your skin hydrated. I know now that I'm in my early 40s, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm in my early 40s, so as I'm getting older, I'm noticing that my skin is actually drier. Even though we're getting warmer here in Texas, it's still getting drier. So definitely, I use this to hydrate my skin and it totally helps. Plus, like I said, you don't even need to get a subscription if right now you're totally just needing the hand sanitizer, so you can totally get that. And make sure that if you want to save some cash, use Lynette20 as a coupon code, so you guys can check that out. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of Facetory for this month. Definitely looking to keep this one as a reoccurring subscription because I love them. So I'm definitely happy that I'm back. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.